Words to know: clover, leaflet.
What pairs of numbers fit a pattern? Think about this question during the lesson. There are 3 leaflets on 1 clover leaf. There are 9 leaflets on 3 clover leaves. There are 12 leaflets on 4 clover leaves. How many leaflets are there on 2 clover leaves? On 5 clover leaves? How does the picture help you find the information you need to answer the question? The picture shows that there are 3 leaflets on a clover leaf. One way to find out the number of leaflets on 2 and 5 clover leaves is to draw pictures and count the number of leaves. Draw 2 clover leaves. Count the number of leaflets. How do you know what to draw in the picture? The information in the picture shows the number of leaflets on each clover leaf. How many leaflets are there? 2 clover leaves contain 6 leaflets. Draw 5 clover leaves. How many leaflets are there?
Think about if you can always count by the same number. Is there a rule or a pattern you can count by?
5 clover leaves contain 15 leaflets.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Another way to find out the number of leaflets on 2 and 5 clover leaves is to use a table. How do you determine the rule of multiply by 3? We obtain the rule of multiply by 3 because there are 3 leaves on each clover. You are combining groups, so you multiply by 3.
So if there is 1 clover with 3 leaflets, you set up your table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clovers, and counting by 3s.
How many leaflets are on 3 and 4 clover leaves? Three clover leaves contain 9 leaflets. 4 clover leaves contain 12 leaflets. Now you know how to extend the pattern in a table using a rule.
This rule being counting by 3s. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 groups of 3 is 9. 3, 6, 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 groups of 3 is 12. 3, 6, 9, 12.